Welcome back to Biology Domination Day 8, the crash course that turns NEET toppers into legends. I'm your guide, and today we are going inside the frog. Now, before you zone out, listen carefully. The frog, Rana tigrina, is directly in the NEET 2026 rationalized syllabus. NCERT dedicates an entire section to it. Questions on frog morphology, anatomy, digestive system, circulatory system, they show up every single year. So today, we master the frog completely. Let's begin.
The frog we study is Rana tigrina, the Indian bullfrog. Externally, it has a head and trunk, no neck, no tail. The skin is smooth and moist. This is critical because the frog uses its skin to breathe. This is called cutaneous respiration. Now, 3 structures you must know for NEET. Number 1, the tympanum. It sits just behind each eye. It's the frog's eardrum. NEET loves asking, is tympanum for hearing or balance? It is for hearing. Don't fall for the trap. Number 2, the nictitating membrane, a transparent third eyelid, protects the eye underwater. Number 3, the cloaca, one common opening for digestive, urinary, and reproductive waste. Remember, cloaca is the final exit for everything. Write these 3 down right now. Let's go inside. Digestive system first. The frog captures prey, insects, worms, using its sticky, bilobed tongue, attached at the front of the mouth, not the back like ours. Food travels, buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, cloaca. The liver is the largest gland. It produces bile. Bile is stored in the gallbladder. The pancreas produces pancreatic juice, handles digestion in the duodenum. Here is a NEET goldmine question. Do frogs have teeth? Yes, but only on the upper jaw. These are maxillary teeth. There are also 2 vomerine teeth on the roof of the mouth. Lower jaw? Toothless. This fact appears in NEET more than you'd expect. Lock it in. The frog's heart. This is a high-value NEET topic. The frog has a 3-chambered heart, 2 atria, and 1 ventricle. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body via the sinus venosus. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and skin via pulmonary veins. Both atria empty into the single ventricle. From the ventricle, blood is pumped out through the truncus arteriosus. Now here's the NEET trap. Students write 2 ventricles. There is only 1. The frog has mixed blood circulation because both oxygenated and deoxygenated blood mix in the single ventricle. This is also why the frog is called a poikilotherm. It cannot regulate its own body temperature. Cold-blooded animal. The frog breathes in 3 ways, and NEET has asked this multiple times. Mode 1, cutaneous respiration, breathing through moist skin. This works both on land and in water. Mode 2, buccal respiration. The floor of the buccal cavity acts as a respiratory surface. Mode 3, pulmonary respiration, through simple, sac-like lungs on land. Critical NEET fact. The frog has no diaphragm. In humans, the diaphragm drives breathing. In frogs, it's the buccal movements that push air in and out. No diaphragm. Write that down. Also, during winter, frogs undergo estivation and hibernation, breathing only through their skin. The frog's brain is divided into 5 regions, from front to back: olfactory lobes for smell, cerebrum for higher functions, diencephalon with pineal body on top, optic lobes, these are the midbrain, and finally cerebellum and medulla oblongata at the back. Here is a killer NEET trap. Humans have 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Frogs have only 10 pairs. Students always write 12. It's 10. The spinal cord gives rise to 10 pairs of spinal nerves. The frog's eyes are large and prominent. They cannot close their eyes because they have no true eyelids. Instead, the nictitating membrane protects the eye. The tympanum detects vibrations and sound.
The frog excretes urea. It is ureotelic. The kidneys are mesonephric type. In males, the urinogenital duct carries both sperm and urine. This duct is present only in males. Remember this. In females, urine and reproductive products travel through separate paths. The ovaries produce eggs, which travel through oviducts and are stored in ovisacs before being released via the cloaca. Fertilization in frogs is external. It happens in water. The male and female come together in a process called amplexus, where the male clasps the female to stimulate egg release. Eggs are laid in water and fertilized externally. Development is indirect. The tadpole larva hatches first, then metamorphosis into an adult frog.
All right, final rapid fire. You ready? Tympanum is hearing, not smell. Nictitating membrane protects eye in water. Cloaca, common exit for all systems. Teeth only on upper jaw. Maxillary plus vomerine. 3-chambered heart, 1 ventricle, not 2. No diaphragm. Buccal movement drives breathing. 3 modes of respiration. 10 pairs of cranial nerves, not 12. Urogenital duct in males only. External fertilization. Ureotelic excretion. That's your frog. That's 8 to 10 marks locked in.
If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop one frog fact in the comments that you'll never forget. I'll feature the best ones in tomorrow's video. See you on day 9. Cell, the unit of life. Let's go.